we have a lot of surprises for you in the way that there are a few people who would like to share a few thoughts about the journey with you.
Jai Baba Swami, thank you for inviting me to say something about Hitendra Bhai and Kalpana ji. I don't have a sufficient word to say about them because they are very, very kind, loving, generous, and dedicated sadhak. And both the couple are very nice. And I know them, and I know Hitendra Bhai from very young age, as he is a good friend of my brother Rupam Chauksi. So when we had first conducted a shibir in 2000 Navsari, Rupam has also attended that shibir, and he his experience was too good. So he explained everything to Hitendra Bhai, and Hitendra Bhai first time ready to invite Swamiji. With only he knew he never seen Swamiji, nothing about him, and he invited. And in 2001, when we were in London, Swamiji was supposed to go from after the London 3 shibirs to Montreal. So I explained him how to conduct the shibir and how to take care of Swamiji. So he did it so well. He organized everything for Swamiji shibir and in different places, and he also sprayed Samarpan meditation so well in Montreal. And after that, in 2009, with his dedication, Guru Karya, and he had a very good team like Kumar Bhai and Rajendra Bhai, and so many other people were there. So they did very good Guru Karya, and 2009 Swamiji decided to have Murti in Montreal. So that time the Pran Pratishtha program was there, and we all had come from USA, and they have done very good arrangement, and program was too good, and Swamiji's Murti had come to Canada, and that was he is become an instrumental for establishing the Swamijis. He and Kumar Bhai and other people, I don't know, but all of them, hard work and their dedication, Swamiji's energy was established in Canada. And after that, he came to USA, and he got the chance to stay in USA, and then today he become a heading USA, managing trustee of USA, and he is doing very good Guru Karya. Both of them are going to various places. They are introducing and inspiring people, and I am sure that now the ashram is also established with both Canada and USA, and today in future is so good, like we have a very beautiful ashram, and all this hard work during the beginning has become, now today is become so nice ashram. So thank you very much, and I am praying for them that Swamiji's blessings are always shower on them, and they do more and more good Guru Karya, and more people come for they introduce Samarpan meditation. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Jai Baba Swami, Naimisha Ben. I really appreciate that.
Jai Baba Swami, Naimisha Ben.
I would say that this is all soul connection. Many times we forget that we are not just human being. The way we look and we present to the world, there is something more inside us, and there are more deeper relationship that as human being we carry with each other, and those relationships are coming forward when we are on the platform like Samarpan meditation, because here everything is on a soul to soul level. Right from the day I met Swamiji, my soul started blooming like a new bud of flower. And as probably you have seen in some of the pictures, while I was describing my experience during the first workshop, I was crying like a baby. Namisha Ben is more like my soul sister. So I want to thank you, Namisha Ben, for beautiful experience and all the kind words and wishes and constant support that you have been giving in our bonding session. She is always there with Bihag by till late night to help us building the strength of our Samarpan family. Thank you, Namisha Ben Bihag
Thank you,
Bhai.
Nimisha Ben.
That was really amazing. And the fact that you are the main reason why Samarpan came to Canada and from Canada to US. So I feel that we are very lucky souls that, you know, we have been trying to get Swamiji to US for a long time. And the next best thing is that at least we are having the Guru Shakti Dham in Canada close to us. So thank you so much for working on it for so many years.
So now we have Bihag ji to share his views.
Jai Baba Swami. We met Hitendra Bhai in 2004 at Chaitanya Mahotsav, which was organized by UK and Canada and Germany Sadhaks at Penrue. And that time we had spent a lot of time together. After that, in 2009, when the Murtis, consecration of Murti was to take place at Canada, at that time also, we could spend much more time with him. In spite of his busy schedule, busy work, he was kind enough, he and of course Kalpana were kind enough to take us to various spots, sightseeing, with us also and also with Guruma. We had a wonderful one-day tour of Montreal. He was a great host. He and Kali, I will call her Kali because that's what Hitendra calls her. And they are a great host. Kalpana is a great cook also, and very fast and very loving. So both are, I would call them as the ideal Samarpan couple, because if you want to see an example of a couple who are totally dedicated and totally surrendered to Swamiji, and their life journey, I know, has not been easy. It has been full of challenges and full of problems, issues, but all the time Hitendra Bhai has been smiling all the way. And of course, if you look at his qualities, 2 minutes is not sufficient to describe them, which some of it are inborn, like he is a great singer, bhajan singer and other singers also. And secondly, he is totally dedicated in whatever aim he takes up in life. He is a great leader, and he of course has a great rapport builder. He can build up rapport with anybody, right from a small child to a elderly person. Of course, his objectivity, the focus, etc., is something which one needs to follow. Behind every successful man, there is a woman, and that Kalpana is what one can describe her for that. She remains, in the background. She doesn't come much in limelight, but her contribution to the success of Hitendra Bhai is also very, very substantial. I am sure both of them will continue to do a great Guru Karya as they are doing currently now. And see, he is a great team builder. He has built up such a beautiful team of Samarpan people, and he has also got he has got ability to get it within you and get the best out of you. He gets into the people and gets best out of them. That is something I really admire him for. So I wish both of them all the best for their future. Thank you so much. Jai Baba Swami.
Jai Baba
Such
Swami.
beautiful words.
Thank you very much. Yes, Bihag Bhai, I totally agree with you. Behind every successful man, there is a woman, and Kalpana is certainly one of them. I want to surprise the world by saying that I have two. One is my mom and Kalpana. Because of my mother, I became such a loving and devoted sadhak or faithful person in God. And because of my support from Kalpana, I was able to do all these things. Because I may have a lot of wishes and dreams and desire to give to the world. But if my another wheel of the bicycle is not running with the same speed, then I would be in trouble. And as you learn from our story, we also had differences as young couple, but with the grace of Swamiji, with the practice of Samarpan meditation, our attitude changed, our way of living and way of looking at each other changed. And Swamiji says that it will start spreading the Chaitanya or consciousness first from inside to in the family and people around you, then to the street, then to the state, and then to the country. Today, our example is saying that if we follow Swamiji's guidelines and if we follow the values that our parents have given us, probably simply being human, not doing much, giving love unconditionally, and serving others without any expectation, and continuing practicing meditation so that you don't get polluted in your head and ego doesn't take over. Everything is possible. So I thank you very much, Bihag Bhai. You put so nicely our qualities, and sometimes people like you are mirror. They show us that who we are. So thank you. You are another guru for me. You are my spiritual mentor. Thank you.
And thank you, Bihagji, for staying awake all the way in the night in India and always supporting us, Namisha ji.
Thank you, Bihagji, Namisha-ji. It was an amazing video and exactly right because, the way their life journey has been, it's been a real learning, I think a teaching for all of us that if we focus on our spiritual journey and on us instead of outside, then we can get to a state that is, at least for me and for a lot of sadhaks, it's much better in a balanced life. Just to move on, we have another surprise from Dharmesh-ji. Rasika-ji, you want to play that?
I'm wondering how many surprises you guys have for us.
Yes, we have lots.
Lovely blessings to you, and from you we get it. So we got a chance for a way that we could give you some surprises and see what we can do for you. So here is Dharmesh ji talking about you both.
Jai Baba Swami, Namaskar. I am Dharmesh Shah, introducing Hitendra Rana, what I know about. There are many firsts associated with Hitendra Bhai Rana. He is the first official sadhak of Canada, first official Samarpan sadhak of country Canada. He is the first one who organized proper Samarpan meditation shibir in Canada. And he is the first one who invited Sri Krupanand Swami to Canada for the spread of Samarpan meditation. Swamiji stayed during the visit to Canada at Hitendra Bhai's residence. During this stay, Swamiji carried out with the first ever long Anushthan. And during the Anushthan, something happened which again was the first in spiritual world. He could separate his subtle body from his physical body during the Anushthan which he carried out at Hitendra Bhai's place. Foundation, a great foundation was laid in Canada during this stay, during this Anushthan, for creation of series of living idols, what we call Sri Mangal Murthy. Jai Baba Swami. Namaskar.
Thank you very much, Dharmesh Bhai. This is a beautiful experience. As I said, this was one of the unique time in the history of Samarpan meditation when we met Swamiji. Because Swamiji said in his discourses also, when I went to Canada, it was the longest distance from the Himalayan gurus to the rest of the world. And in a way, Swamiji says that if this is Himalaya and this is Canada, he draw a line between Himalaya and Canada, and he says that in this circle, with this line, in this circle, entire world will be covered. And now my Sukshma Sarir, that is Swamiji's Sukshma Sarir, was floating over India. At that time, Swamiji says that Sukshma Sarir or subtle body is protecting the sadhaks in India. And he could see it literally, as Dharmesh Bhai explained, that this was something that is miraculous. And this is very unique that Swamiji said that I am praying for the entire mankind. I am praying for the human beings all over the world to become one Samarpan global family. And that is why I keep on repeating these words again and again and again to bring that energy of our Guru to everyone who is listening to our discourse or our program, or who are trying to connect with Swamiji through us, because he has blessed us and we lived through his live Chaitanya or consciousness. You can feel, if you are meditating, regardless of Samarpan meditation or any other meditation, you will feel the vibration when we are talking. And this is what Swamiji said, that Samarpan meditation is becoming one with nature. When one loses his ego and thoughts and all the things, you become one with nature. The universal consciousness starts flowing through you to the environment, and there remains no negativity. So what you feel as a vibration while I am talking or any other sadhak is talking, this is the energy directly from Himalaya. This is the energy of nature that is flowing through us, and that is the blessing. That is why we encourage everybody, at least make an attempt. Try to learn Samarpan meditation and see. Practice it for 45 days. You are not going to lose anything. If it works for you, then you are blessed. Your life will change like our life has changed. Jai Baba Swami.
Jai Baba Swami, Hitendra ji and Kalpana ji, it is going so well. The energy is so high that it's hard to speak. I'm getting the chills and it's amazing. My takeaway up till now is, if you keep faith and if you keep your minds open, you will receive something which you have never realized. And I can see water in eyes, in everybody's eyes, especially Hitendra ji and Kalpana ji. I can look in your eyes and I am seeing Swamiji right now. I
Jai
have
Baba
no
Swami.
to say.
It is Swamiji's blessings. We are nothing. We are ordinary human being, imperfect human being, but independent, powerful soul. That is all I can say.
We have one more surprise to go for now. It is from Binita ji. So
Oh, wow.
enjoy.
Jai Baba Swami, Hitendra ji, Kalpana ji, so happy that today's session is with you, where you can share a lot of your valuable experiences on your Samarpan journey. And I have very sweet memories meeting both of you, and it was always that with you, it's this loving kindness, and both of you have this love emanating from you, and it's therefore so nice to meet you. And one question I have on your journey, how was it when you first heard about Samarpan meditation? How was your reaction inside, your feeling inside? Or when you first met Swamiji, how was it inside you? How did you feel? Thank you so much for sharing, and lots of love. This is Binita from Germany. Jai Baba Swami.
Jai Baba Swami.
Jai Baba Swami, Dr. Binita. Oh, she is a lovely soul. And most of us have seen the interview with Germany last month. So she was there. I would say, I will answer her question later, but I want to say that Binita has been blessing to Canada from Germany, because she moved for her further studies. She was on the West Coast and we were living in Montreal, East Coast of Canada. But I never met her before. And still we supported each other in setting up Samarpan meditation in Edmonton and Vancouver area. Because of her, today we have two important trustees in both Canada Trust and USA Trust, Kate McKenzie in Canada Trust and Ed Kemen in USA Trust. So thank you very much, Binita, for your love and your support to this organization and respect for both of us, me and Kalpana. Your question was, how did I feel when I heard about Samarpan meditation for the first time? I would say that my soul was waiting for something like this. And the proof was when I was driving with Jayaben and Swamiji from Toronto to Montreal. It was a 5 hours drive. Swamiji was talking just normally about spiritual subjects. And after 2 hours of driving, I told Swamiji that I don't know, but I feel that all my questions that I had inside me, I never asked anybody, they all are being answered. Questions from this life and past life. I don't know how I ended up feeling and saying all those words to Swamiji. That probably answers your questions, that why I went against my family's will or for against my wife when I had to invite Swamiji, because my soul was more stronger and connected to Swamiji before even I met him as a guru.
Very beautiful, Jai Baba Swami Hitendra-ji. I'm back
Jai
here
Baba Swami.
with the next question. And all of you listening, 91 people, you already are seeing that people from all around the world have a very special and intimate relationship with the Rana family, and they Hitendra-ji and Kalpana-ji have kept it at very personal level. For Jayaben and Dr. Vinita, in fact, Jayaben was waiting for last 4 hours or 6 hours to be connected, to be on the session so that she could be part of this story. So I'm sure audience is enjoying this beautiful story of religious struggles and other things which are coming. So Rasika ji, are you ready to open the curtain?
Yes. Thank you, Sonalji. So we are going to listen to Nalini ji now.
Jai Baba Swami. I am Nalini Toshniwal from Japan Center.
Jai Baba Swami. I am Rajesh Toshniwal.
We feel honored to be part of this program and to say few words about our friends, Acharya of Samarpan US and a dedicated sadhak of Samarpan meditation, Hitendra Bhai and Kalpana ji.
The first time I met Hitendra was in Rajkot Guru Purnima, and we were sharing same room for the 3-day event. And again, we had a chance to meet Hitendra and Kalpana ji at Canada during the Murti Sthapna time. We were invited to lunch at their home. It was just before they moved to USA.
During this difficult corona situation, we have connected again, and Hitendra Bhai has given me chance to reach more and more people by sharing my 45 days Anushthan videos, and I am so happy for that and thankful to him. And I'm sure under his leadership, more and more communities, people from different countries will benefit from Samarpan meditation, and my best wishes.
And we offer all our support for any future endeavor of Hitendra.
Yeah, best wishes to Hitendra Bhai and Kalpana ji.
Jai Baba Swami.
Jai Baba Swami, Nalini ji, Rajesh ji, remind me good time with all of you. And of course, you are also as strong as us on the other side of the world. Swamiji, as I was telling you, when he came to Canada, he said that distance between Himalaya and Canada is long. We are on the west coast and you are on the east coast. Now that we both are connected, the entire world is under the Samarpan umbrella. And This is the wish of Swamiji. This is because of his blessings that we are in such a loving and family-like relationship. And of course, we have a lot of places to go and touch so many souls. So together, we will continue doing Guru Karya. Thank you. Jai Baba Swami.
Seriously, lots to learn and lots to hear. We just can't stop hearing from you now. So our next one is Neeta ji from Montreal. Let's see.
Jai Baba Swami everyone, Jai Baba Swami Hitesh Bhai, Jai Baba Swami Bhabi. When Rasika ji sent me WhatsApp message saying in the series of This is Samarpan, our next guest will be our beloved Hitendra ji and Kalpana ji. And if I wanted to share something, I should prepare 2 minutes video and send it to her. I wanted to grab this opportunity but was little nervous about my grammar. Well, what can I say about Hitesh Bhai and Bhabi? I can only express my love and gratitude towards them. I met them at their home in Pierrefonds, Quebec in August 2004, where on one of the Sundays they were conducting a monthly introduction of Samarpan meditation. Since then, they have become part of my life. When I say they, it means not only Hitesh Bhai and Bhabi, but their 2 sons, Sajan and Raj, as well as Ma and Bapu, who are Hitesh Bhai's parents. Their home is like Samarpan Darbar, where anytime anyone is welcome. They are very positive. When we get together, you cannot differentiate who are their physical family and soulful family, because they treat everyone the same. The whole Rana family is very welcoming, very loving, kind and caring. I feel very fortunate to have had opportunity to spend some time with them during those years here in Canada. I want to thank them for their time and their home which was provided for Samarpan Sadhaks. I cannot go into full detail on how they have helped me because of time restriction, but personally, both my sons and I have received so much love, attention and care from them. I always cherish those moments. I don't have to say much about Hitesh Bhai since his name says it all. Hitesh is Shubh Chintak or well-wisher, one who thinks well of everyone, and Bhabi, whose name is Kalpana, imagination. So here, Bhabi, who is imagining, and Hitesh Bhai is there to turn those imagination into reality. Bhabi is very quiet, very positive, very simple and a lovely lady. She is a very supportive. During the program of This is Samarpan, Hitesh Bhai always mention about backstage support, and I believe Bhabi is his best backstage support in his Samarpan journey. May Baba shower his blessing upon your family. We wish Milan, me and Chirag wish you all the best and happy, healthy and soul-fulfilling life. Jai Baba Swami.
Baba Swami Neeta Ben, thank you very much. I really appreciate all those kind words and sharing the meaning of our name also with all the sadhaks. But beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. We have seen Swamiji in each and every sadhak or non-sadhak, and now they started seeing the same thing in us. So that is what Swamiji's message was also, that he started seeing God in one person, that is Shiv Baba. And he says, when you start loving one person, then you will be able to start loving everybody. But this all is happening with the grace of God, with the blessings of our Guru and my father and mother and Kalpana's parents. Without that, it will not be possible. Thank you very much, Neeta Ben. Jai Baba Swami.
I want to say something about Neeta Ben. Like when we moved to Canada,
to USA.
USA, sorry. When we moved from Canada to USA, Neeta Ben and Kokila Ben and my sister, they were all helping because we left out my in-law in Canada. So they were helping them to buy grocery, do anything for them. And I don't even have to worry about what they're gonna do without us. But they did perfectly fine, and like I didn't even have to like, oh, Nita will do this or Nita will do that. They just do it without any expectation.
Yes. So that is the thing that she mentioned, that she loved not just Hitendra Bhai and Kalpana, our children also and our parents also. And that is the value we tried to establish in our center, where we were welcoming everybody regardless of their age or background or religion. And we were trying to teach them that if we treat each other like this, then the world will become one good family. And they took care of my family in my absence, because my son Sajan was still in the school and he was studying there, and center was still going on, by the way. Every Sunday, even though we were here, the center was not stopped running. So these are another thing. Guru Karya should not stop, and love should not stop. It should continue going on.
Beautiful, beautifully said. Talking about love, I hope you are loving the tributes that are coming on your way from all the past memories, from all the videos that have been shared. It was Shefali ji's idea, your daughter.
Yes,
But,
I
she
call
will
her my
say-
daughter.
But she will say, oh no, it was Gurudev's idea. So, but that is another humbling gesture, just like you, humble couple. I was wondering while listening, who is more humble, Hitendra ji or Kalpana ji? Because you both.
Kalpana ji is more humble. Sometimes I'm strict.
All of you for giving all the beautiful,
Yeah,
beautiful
because
surprise.
you reunited us with so many
All the
people with
memories,
this. So this is a beautiful gift from all the volunteers, especially Shefali ji. I am so thankful to you for this idea.
Now the next turn is of Deep Sood ji.
Jai Baba Swami. I am honored to pay this tribute to Hitendra Bhai and Kalpana. I started on a journey in Samarpan several years ago. I'm hard pressed to remember how many, because it seems like many, many years ago. Definitely more than 12 or 13 years ago. And ever since then, I first remember Hitendra and Kali opening their hearts and homes to us new sadhaks and introducing the art of meditation, of which Baba Swami was instrumental. And Hitendra and Kalpana were the perfect mediums for us to have learned so much about meditation, about Baba Swami. He and his wife were both extremely generous of their time and of themselves. And any question we had, they were patient enough. Hitendra Bhai was patient enough to explain in as much detail as he could muster without losing his cool or his patience. And his generosity was a gift to us all, which we appreciate to this day. And he has been doing the Guru Karya unstintingly, helping all of us sadhaks who want to improve their lives and learn more about themselves through Samarpan. So thank you very much, Hitendra Bhai and Kalpana. I still remember the breakfasts, the sweets, the food preparations that you all made and shared them with all of us, along with your open house and your open heart. Thank you. Jai Baba Swami.
Thank you very much, Deepji. Jai Baba Swami. Remind us all the good time that we shared together. And of course, it brings tears in our eyes because we are like one family. And we were so closely knit, bonded together. And I feel the same now. I have made new family in USA. But think about it. I met all these people in Canada, in USA, and other part of the world because of Shiv Krupanand Swami, Baba Swami. This was his dream. World is one family, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. We just followed it as his children. I consider myself as child of Baba Swami. I consider everybody as pure soul, and I try to see in them Swamiji, whether they are young or they are old. And that is what is keeping this family growing every day. Jai Baba Swami. Thank you, Dev.
It feels like somebody is wherever he is, sprinkling love on the way, and we all get a drop or two on the way to receive that energy from you. All those people who were touched by your blessings or your vicinity, they're very fortunate, whether it is in Montreal, Canada, or anywhere in the world. And we are really lucky to be blessed with such energy from you both. And Kalpana ji, your food is coming back and back in the conversation.
Yes.
So it's the energy that is provided from.
Swamiji always say, when you cook your food, pray first before you serve. Vibrate it first before you serve. So it's all the Swamiji taught us, so it's all there.
Yeah. And the most important thing I want people to notice in this story is you might not like Swamiji. Like when you hear about him for the first time, your mind might not be ready to learn about meditation when you hear it for the first time. Like I was very logical person, and I used to say, I don't need any guru. In fact, in my personal journey, in my diary, I wrote at the age of 20, I am my own guru. I don't need any other gurus. But when it is time, guru will appear either in front of you or you will appear in front of him. That is what you see in our life. Plus, in Kalpana's case, she was not ready to host a sadhu or a saint in our house. But once you are touched, once you are awakened by the real authentic person, not any duplicate kind of fake guru, but authentic guru, then you see the transformation in our life. You see the relationship that changed between us. That is the thing that I want you to notice.
Very true. And like Shefali ji had said, you have to be open-minded. Don't
Absolutely
create your own wall before you accept anybody. So Hitendra ji invited a guru, and Kalpana ji also opened up while experiencing that. So if that hadn't happened, we wouldn't have been here today, listening to all these stories. And thank you, Deep Sood ji, you are in audience. You have touched many hearts, not just Hitendra ji's, while you shared your connection with Hitendra ji. So thank you once again. Moving on, and let's cheer up our guests with a beautiful anubhuti or share message from next surprise guest. Rasika ji, over to you.
Yes, thank you, Sonal ji. And the next guest would be Danish ji Gandhi. Let's see what he has to say about you.
Jai Baba Swami everyone, my name is Dennis. I am from Montreal, Canada. First, I will start with how I met Hitesh Bhai and Bhabhi. That was back in the year 2002 or 2003. At that time, I was new in Canada. I wanted to start meditation. And somehow I came to know that there is a meditation center at Hitesh Bhai's house. So I called Hitesh Bhai and got some information from him. He also invited me for a Sunday group meditation. So I went for the Sunday group meditation, and after the meditation I stayed with him for a long time. I asked him many questions, mostly spiritual questions, and he answered all the questions with patience. He was very humble and very friendly, and it really impressed me. We talk as if we knew each other for a long time. Slowly we became very good friends. I could call him anytime. I could share with him anything about my personal life, and he has always been my advisor, my well-wisher. And after some time I even got a opportunity to travel with him. We went to different cities in USA and Canada for video Sibir, and we always had lot of fun while traveling together. And during the traveling I was always curious to hear him about his spiritual journey and about Swamiji. It was really wonderful time for me. In short, I can say that Hitesh Bhai is like my second spiritual guide. I really wish them all the best for the future, and I'm also thankful to Samarpan team for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much. Jai Baba Swami.
Jai Baba Swami, Denish. Thank you very much. Denish, Ritesh and Minesh, they came in 2003 together to learn Samarpan meditation. And Denish used to be Hare Rama, Hare Krishna devotee. He had so many questions. And when he came first time, he came by bus at our house. And I remember he said, unless and until you don't answer my question, I am neither leaving your house nor I am going to start doing meditation. So first give me all the answers. And that was first session with him for more than 3 hours. And you will be surprised, there are many sadhaks or non-sadhaks. I spend hours and hours of talking about Samarpan meditation and spirituality. It is again Swamiji's blessings. But we have built beautiful family. Dennis is a beautiful guy, beautiful soul. And thank you very much, Dennis, for good words. I appreciate that. Remind me all time.
That's so true. We take Hitendra ji for granted, and I'm sure Kalpana ji, because of your generosity, we are so helpful we call him any time of the day and get guidance from him even now. So we are very fortunate for that from both of you couples to always guide us spiritually and be here as Swamiji's representatives.
Swamiji's blessings to all those people who gave their testimonies and shared such a beautiful love and respectful words for both of us. I really, really appreciate, and I see nothing but Swamiji's blessing in this global Samarpan family.
It's so hard to say anything further. Like, what a session. But I'm bathed in the Chaitanya flow happening today. I'm so touched by the stories of faith and surrender and humbleness and love from all our sharers and audience today for our guest couple today. Wow, wow, and wow. And Jai Gurudev to that. So again, Jai Baba Swami to Hitendra ji and Kalpana. Going to the next part, I'm going to invite Viresh ji for the vote of thanks. Jai Baba Swami, Viresh ji.
Jai Baba Swami, Shefali ji, thank you so much for giving a beautiful, beautiful session. Let me do my part. Jai Baba Swami all. What a great session we just witnessed, and what a flow of energy. It all started with a movie-like event of a Hindu boy marrying a Christian girl, and all the life and the struggle that followed ever after. We heard of Kalpana ji objecting to Swamiji's presence in her home, and in narrating that, she missed probably mentioning one thing that Swamiji himself had mentioned in several of the 8-day Shibirs, that after a day or two that Swamiji stayed in their house, Kalpana ji went and told Swamiji that I don't see any difference between you and Jesus. And this is what Swamiji said. And at that time, Swamiji said, where the truth is the truth. It doesn't matter which religion it is. The universal energies always connect to each other. What a great message. Rana family story set the background for different messages. Namely, Samarpan is based on universal energy. It is beyond the bonds of race and religion and gender, and it connects us with our own different lives in the past. Hitendra ji talked about the lives in the past as well. Nobody talks about life in the future because we don't have life in the future. Swamiji is going to take all of us with him on the way of salvation, moksha. We also learned that Samarpan does not happen at the split second, and that it happens over a period of time, and we need Guru's grace for that. For that, we need to meditate and prepare ourselves for our state of mind and state of self to receive the energy. From Hitendraji and Kalpanaji's story, we also heard messages of the play of the inner voices, unconditional love, moral values, and that action speaks more than what we preach, and treat the guest as God. Vasudeva Kutumbakam was a theme, and also Atithi Devo Bhava was also another theme. And in fact, Hitendraji took to the extreme state of Atithi Devo Bhava. He took the Atithi as his own goddess and surrendered to her, that is Kalpanaji. And he himself talked about Lakshmi coming to his life. So that is an extreme level of taking the Atithi and getting married to the Atithi. And Kalpanaji on her own met a man of her Kalpana, the imagination, and that's a beautiful story. Thank you for sharing your experiences with Swamiji, Kalpanaji, and Hitendraji, and advising all listening sadhaks about how to develop dedication and sense of surrender. Thank you. I concur with their prayer that Swamiji bless this couple, bless this family to touch more and more lives. Now, coming to the people who made this event happen. What a wonderful team. Thank you so much, the great team. Shefali Ben, Shefali Ji, whatever we call her, the love flows through her. And she is a beautiful soul, and she set the background very well. And also, as you saw at the end, she was making sure that everybody is doing our own pieces. And she is the backbone of all the activities that are happening. In fact, Shefali Ji and Sonal Ji are the left and right hand of Hitendra Bhai, as he was saying. Yes, and likewise, yes. Minesh Bhai here was also his right hand, and very beautiful. Thank you so much, Shefali Ji, for weaving this beautiful story through a lot of different stories. Now, coming to Kaira and Rasika Ji, we just saw how Rasika Ji, one after another, different stories, different surprises she brought. And if you think Rasika Ji did that, no, Rasika Ji did, true, but along with her, she had an assistance of her daughter, Kaira. Kaira helped her. She's a young 6-year-old child who helped. Kaira actually got the Swamiji's message when she was in her mother's womb. And in fact, in the past, I mentioned that Kaira is a newer generation Abhimanyu. She learned all the different aspects of Swamiji, and she helps Rasika Ji, her mother, in doing the puja to Sukshma Sharir every week. And she helped to collate more than 200 different slides that you saw today. Rasika Ji and Kaira Ji, what a beautiful team. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, the other two, Sonali Ji and Zurika Ji, who went through the session asking different questions to Hitendra Ji and Kalpana Ji. And also Shefali Ji, she asked questions interviewed their children, Raj and Saj. What a beautiful way of creating this entire interview. This is Samarpan. Believe me, they spent days and days and nights in collecting the stories from different people, realigning them. Even yesterday until 1 o'clock it was going on. Thank you so much for doing such a great job. Hitendra Bhai, you got a beautiful set of volunteers, and this is only a sample. We got few more, Sagar, Dhara and Priyanshi, the next generation. They are doing beautiful. They are the youth generation that are running their own sessions, running their own introductions, and also helping in this event. You saw Sagar just briefly, but he is behind the screen, maintaining all the actions that are happening throughout this period. Dhara and Priyanshi are leading the younger generation. Again, I would like to thank this younger team. And the youngest is, of course, Kyra. And she is going to develop a great team on her own now. And I think we have a few more like that with the Payalji's daughters as well. So the Samarpan is in very good hands. Thank you all. Such a great team, and what a flow of energy. Hitendra Bhai and Kalpana Ben, thank you so much for all that you have given and for all that's going to come.
Thank you, thank you very much, Videsh Bhai, and every sadhak, not just our volunteers, but every sadhak. It is my sincere prayer. And from day one I met Swamiji, it is our sincere wish that every soul on the earth benefit from the blessings of Himalayan Gurus, and may all of us receive our moksha during this lifetime. We stay together, we work together, and we surrender in the lotus feet of Swamiji, doing Guru Karya together. Swamiji bless you, and I love you.